Opening Lambodia. Absalon packs. Chit-chat us. Graspling. Very, mid. Hoping for something better. Scarblade Malice.
Standard black spell, I guess.
Grapply Stamper. Why are his dogs out? For what purpose? Burning Curiosity.
Not very good.
Flame Chain Mauler. Chump Blocker. Ah, nonsense. Cheap though. Eclipsed Kithkin. First solid card. Although I've never used Kithkin. Wow, wow. Flame Braider. Excellent mana gen, especially in red. Throw it back charge. Hold up, this is actually nuts. Hookah's Eye. Wowzer. Very lovely ETB trigger.
Adding it to the Miku deck now.
Very beautiful swamp. Our rare. Holy shit! Absolutely insane card draw, plus additional ETB trigger. Belonging. Cute sheep, but far too expensive. Commander creature. It's double-sided and provides exceptional mana production plus token gen. A++. Wait, chap.
I know this queer.
He's stacked. And finally, Soul Emulator.
Mid.